Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my hair care haul and a product that I was really astounded by. And so I'm going to try to be quick, fast. My baby's sleeping. I got to get you a video. Let's do this. Postpartum hair loss. I didn't know it was a thing. Totally a thing. So I also realized what I'm using is not really doing anything great for my hair anyways. So at the end of my pregnancy, my hair was doing really good simply from hormones and all kinds of things. But when I was no longer pregnant, my hair got really dry and dead again. And I was like, why do I buy these things that say damage repair, all these different things. I buy the things that are supposed to take care of my hair, and I'm not seeing any difference. So I was like, I should try something else. If I have to spend a little bit more money, I'll try it. I heard there is something called Allurum, something like that. And it's supposed to really help with hair loss, hair thinning, and it's supposed to be really good for your hair. So if you guys like that one, comment below and tell me, because I'm gonna try it. But I started at half that price first. I'm trying something else first. And so what I purchased was the Biotin Boost Thickening Shampoo and the Thickening Conditioner. This one says with biotin, collagen, and coffee. Everyone loves coffee. And this one says adds fullness and strengthens. They both have biotin, collagen, and coffee. This one says coffee seed oil. Coffee seed oil. That's a thing. Anyways, I thought it'd be fun to try these because they are supposed to be thickening. I have only tried them once, actually, and then I put them down here, and I was like, no, I have to do my video first. So I've been using a Garnier Fructis stuff, and it's fine. It just isn't really doing anything for my hair. Most of the stuff I have from Garnier Fructis I really do enjoy, but for some odd reason, I need a more intense shampoo. So this is what I'm going to try. If you guys have tried this, comment below and tell me what you think of it, or if you have suggestions for my hair, comment below and tell me what you think. The next thing I got is this mousse. It's 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient. Has no parabens, no silicones, no sulfated surfactants, no mineral oil, no synthetic dye, and no gluten. So it's supposed to be for a flexible hold with coconut milk, a curl foam mousse for dry curly hair, which is me, dry curly hair. So I don't know what it is, but I have not been able to get the curl to stay in my hair. So I put my mousse in, I put my hair up, and usually I just take it down and I have my crazy girl afro that I enjoy because that's just who I am. And so I can't get it to stay. It seems like it just goes flat lately. I have a Herbal Essence mousse right now, and when I combine it with a hairspray by Callista, I think that's what it's called, that my Nana actually gave me to try. If I brush my hair, I put my mousse in, I brush my mousse into my hair, and then I spray my hair with the Callista hairspray and put it up, then I do seem to maintain a little bit of my curl. But I don't know what it is about my hair right now, postpartum, that it just doesn't maintain the afro-y goodness it used to have. So I'm going to try this. This is supposed to be a flexible hold, so it shouldn't be like crunchy curls. And it's a curl foam mousse, so it is specifically for curls. So I'm interested to see how this works. I'm a little worried that it won't hold at all. I did try this one day, but I don't remember the combination that I used to, I don't remember everything I did that day because it was just kind of a run. And I didn't think it was amazing results. So I have to pay attention to how I'm going to use it. So I'm going to try this, and you guys, once again, tell me what you think of this, or if you have any awesome suggestions for curly hair. I am debating going back to something I used in college. It's just kind of pricey, and I'm like, do I want to do it again? Because I think I bought it at some half price sale and I loved it, but now it's really expensive for that one little bottle, and I'm like, I feel like I don't know if I want it. So yeah, give me your suggestions. Then the last thing I got is this coconut oil. This is by the same brand as the first ones, the Hask Biotin ones. This is a Monoi coconut oil, Hask Clean Beauty, and it's a 5-in-1 leave-in spray. It nourishes and detangles, and this is what I did combine with this one day, and my hair felt kind of heavy, and so it could have been the combination of this and whatever else I used that day. But because the ends of my hair seem so dead and so dry, and they just really need some love, I thought maybe it would be nice to add this leave-in spray. It's supposed to nourish and detangle, and I already said that. Yeah, anywho. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna hold my hair. Let's put it in my hair right now. We're gonna, oh gosh. I haven't done my hair yet. This is my shower hair, so don't judge me. I'm going on a date tonight with my husband. The first date since I've had my baby. And my sister-in-law and brother actually are going to watch Carter for us. And we're gonna go on a date, and I'm excited. And so I did my makeup, and I have to do my hair, and I'm gonna try to be pretty Casey again instead of haggard mom Casey. Okay, and then the last product I wanted to talk about today, as I speedily talk, and y'all are probably telling me to slow down, killer. This is the Lash and Brow Building Serum by Mary Kay. Now, the reason I mention this is because of my postpartum hair loss. So I had this on my shelf, and I hadn't tried it. I was like, do those things ever work? And I tried it on my lashes for quite a while, and it does make my lashes a lot more rich, full, long. I actually am shocked. If you use this every day, your lashes will look beautiful. And some dermatologists claim that this doesn't cause the growth of your lashes, but your lashes are actually often dehydrated. And so sometimes lash and brow building serums help because they're presenting moisture to your lash beds. And so what I would do is I would take this, twist it off, and I would apply it right along my lash line, just on top, and then sometimes I would like comb it through my lashes, and then I would just do that before bed, and I totally noticed a difference because right at the end, beginning of when I was postpartum, my lashes were kind of even breaky, like they were frail, and I began to use this, and I totally noticed the return of nice lashes. And I noticed a difference of when I don't use it even. So I have not used this for maybe like a week or two, and I've definitely used it within that time, but not religiously. And I noticed the difference because then I see like some of my lashes will break a little, and when I'm using this every day, I notice beautiful, full, great lashes. And some women are just blessed with this, and awesome for you, but it's nice when you know you need this. It totally helps. Now, this is where it's groundbreaking. I had right here, I don't know if any of my other videos showed it, but like right here, I was getting a widow's peak of all the hair right here that had just like fallen out and gone away. And I was insanely self-conscious because I noticed it editing a video when I looked down and I had these big triangles, and I was like, oh dear goodness, I'm losing my hair. And I would like put my little bangs and I would part it and cover it, and I was really self-conscious, and I was like, what am I gonna do? I don't want to lose all my hair. What just happened? I'm getting a giant widow's peak. So, on a whim, I took this, and every night I would apply it right in that area, right here. I would take the brush, and I would apply it, and I would dip it again, and then I would take everything that was on this side and just kind of wipe it over that area. And I did that every night before bed, and it came back. If I can find a video to show you where that went away, maybe I will. I'm trying to post this like without edits though, so that might not happen. But maybe I'll like put a picture in the comments or something if I can find it eventually. But anyways, it totally brought the hair back. I was like, thank you, God, and Mary Kay. It totally brought it back. I don't care what y'all's feelings about Mary Kay are, because some people don't like the fact that it's a direct sales company. I don't care. This stuff is the bomb. I was amazed the fact that it brought that back. Like, I was so self-conscious, and I used it religiously. I went to the coast and I used it all the way, and then I used at the coast, like Oregon coast, and then I used it when I came back, and my hair came back there. I was like, yes, I need to make sure I buy another one of these tubes the next time I have a baby. And it's just really great on my lashes anyways. I have not, so disclaimer, used it enough on my brows to tell you whether it's great or not, because I have like thyroid brows, so my brows barely really only exist till like about here, and I have to fill them in because they're so blonde. But they are, where am I going with this? They're thyroid brows. So essentially they struggle to grow because I have a borderline thyroid. And I have not tried this enough to tell you if it does work on the brows, because I've just kind of applied it over makeup sometimes, and it says to apply it on clean skin, so I wasn't following the directions correctly, and I didn't do it religiously enough to tell you if it works. I just dropped something. Anyways, if you're interested in seeing if this works as a great brow serum, comment below, and I will do like a dedicated, like, do it right thing to see if it really works. But it does work on your lashes, and it grows back your baby hairs. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna shut up so I can post this video for you guys, because it has been a hot minute since I've gotten you a video, and it's not just because I'm being a mom that has slowed me down. If I was just being a mom, I would probably have a video for you guys like at least twice a week. But I'm also building websites. I'm also doing product descriptions for an outdoor company and video edits for them. And I'm also a worship leader at two different churches. And I do way too much stuff. I mean, I need to learn to simplify. But that is what has slowed me down. And I thank you guys for your grace in this time period of me trying to get back into YouTube videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will try to get you guys another one out soon. I love you guys so much. Bye.